Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. As you can tell by the title, I will be slaying my edges today. So first, I will just tie down my hair because my hair is currently messy right now. And I will take out the section that I want to slick down for my edges. And I'm using this first touchdown edge control. This edge control is going to be used as a base. Then I will go in with the Got To Be glue gel. So right here, I'm basically just outlining. This is not the final touch. And as you can see, I'm using my middle finger to guide my way through to press down my hair so it could stick down to my skin. I'm just laying down how I want it to look and all that jazz, and then you'll see that I will go over it multiple times before I finalize everything. The main thing that you see me doing here is using my finger as a guide on how to shape my edges. And I'm constantly going over and adding edge control along with Got To Be glue to get the perfect shape that I want and the style that I want. If you haven't subscribed as yet, please click the button to subscribe and then click the bell to never miss an upload. Besides, subscribing will help my channel out a lot. So let's start flourishing together. As I said, I'm using the Got To Be Ultra Glue, which is a styling gel, to just set the edge control in place. So with my edges, I like to make sure that everything is connected. And when I'm swooping my edges, I make sure that it connects to the next swoop that I will be doing. With the excess hair, I'm just tucking it under my scarf, and I'm just going over the swoops that I've already created to make sure that I like them. will then tie down my edges and allow it to dry for a second, then take it off. And then I use a bobby pin to fine tune all the shapes that I want to. Again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thumbs this video up if you did enjoy it. Don't forget to check out my other videos on my channel. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.